we have two devices, routers and switch. So why we use routers? So that we can create network over there. Routers work is to create networks, giving securities, assigning translations of public and private. Okay. So this is what the work of router. What is the purpose of switch? Switch is used to divide network. One is to create network and one is to divide network. Router, the purpose of it to create a network over there to make communicate with the different networks, give securities and also give a translation of private public public private IPs. What is the work of switch? Switch is work of switch is to divide network, create a divisions grouping that you have done. No, that is what done in switch. Those concept will come in switch. There we will be creating the groups apart according to the departments. There we will be assigning IDs and we will try to communicate with different IDs. That is what an internal network works. Okay, so that is what router and what is what switch. And in CCNA, you are going to configure everything, all the concepts, everything will be coming up in between this routers and switch. So what are there? All right. So here I am going to show what are the things that you are going to learn. Okay. My screen is visible, right? It's recording. You can just see here. See, check. Okay. Should I start? Visible? No. Again, we have to set up everything. Okay, wait. So in routing, there are two types of routings are there. One is static and one is dynamic. And second is dynamic. Under dynamic, there are three protocols. One is RIP, that is routing information protocol. Second, EIGRP, that means enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. The third is OSPF, which is used. And for example, if I give where it is used, Google Map. We use Google Maps in OSPF. Path first. We use Google Maps. In Google Maps, this OSPF concept is used there. So the example of OSPF is this. Google Maps. After that, you are going to learn ACL, that is access list. It comes under security, basically. Access list. And the last that is you are going to learn, that is NAT. Network address translation. One more thing is there, that is called DHCP. Then DNS. Actually, DHCP DNS is a temporary thing which we do in router, but still you should know how to implement. Basically, DHCP and DNS is done in MCS, in server. But still, you should know how to implement in router, how to manage. Next, will DHCP And last, IP helper. Then this is all about routing. Under switching, in switching there is not so much. You will learn VLAN. Next, inter VLAN. Then BTP. Next, SVI. SVI. These are the concepts that you are going to learn. It's very big, right? So many things are there. It's very easy. Nothing to worry. So first of all, we will do one by one everything, and we will go a little bit slow, not fast. Okay, we will do one protocols. I will give you some network design. You need to practice, do it until unless you don't get the output, we will not proceed with the other topics. Otherwise, if we jump later on, there is nothing. You will get confusion like how we got the outcome, why it's not coming now, those things. Practice, it's all about practice because routing and switching means all commands, everything command. If you forget any command, you can't do any configuration. Okay. So first we will do static routing. Okay. So before doing static routing, let's go and get familiar with the software that is called Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay. So this is your Cisco Packet Tracer dashboard. This is the work area. Basically, Cisco Packet Tracer why we use so that we can simulate our network. It works like 90% as a real time. In real time, whatever you do, same thing you will be doing here also. You will get the output also. You can create an environment also. But one difference is there is it's a software. You will not get 100% output. Sometimes your configuration is correct, but you will not get the output. Sometimes it's rare, but sometimes it happens. Not every time. Okay. But in real time, whatever the configuration you do, if it is correct, it will work. If it is not correct, somewhere it is problem, it will never work. It will not show you anything. Okay. So this is the dashboard. This is your work area. How you can select your routers and switch at down left side bottom. You will see some icons are there. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Or should I magnify? If it is visible, then it's okay. If it is not visible, I will magnify. I know. see my laptop. Ah. Now it is clear? Visible? Okay. So now here you can see there are some devices which is given. Here down you can see routers. So you have to select all the routers from here. Okay. So here you will get a lot of options over here, out of which 2811 is the stable one, where you will get 100% output. 2811, that means 2800 series. 2800 series router, you will get 100% output in software. It's not like in real time. In real time, all router will work, but it is software, so 2811 is stable.
This is the max version of router in the.
Not max version. Here 800 version or 8000 series is also there.
Okay, then 2811 is.
Yes. Others also you can take and you can do it, but sometimes you don't get the output. Sometimes it happens.
It will be taken 2620, sir.
Yes, 2620 also it's not a problem, but sometimes you don't get outcome, and you used to do all the config again and again, but you will not get outcome. So better take the stable one and try.
Okay, sir.
So 2811 is a stable one. So just click on that 2811. You will see one plus symbol will be coming up. Plus symbol is there. So you just go to your work area here and just click on that. Anywhere. You will see your router will be coming out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we will take one more router. This is only one router. I will take one more router and paste it here. So this is how your network design. Routers we have got. Now what we need? Switch. So go down again. Just near to router you can see switches. Click on switches. Switch have how many ports? By default? 24. By default 24 ports are there. I'm just excluding the virtualization. Just normally 24 ports are there in switch. Okay. So here you will see somewhere 2950-24. Last second. Can you see this one?
What number, sir?
2950-24. That means 2950 is your series switch series number and 24 is a 24 port. So click on that and place it just below your the first router and take one more. Put it over. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now we need what? PCs. That is end device. So we will take two end device for each side. So end device, how you will get? Not downside. You will have to go with the upper one. Here you can see end devices. So take PC, laptop, server, whatever you. Now one by one you will click and go. It's like boring. To make it at one shot, press Control. Then click on that icon. Then just release your control. Then you put it as much you want.
How many?
So how to do that? Just press control, then select, release, then you take it as much you want. Now to remove that, escape. Done. Till here, any doubt?
You selected 4 pieces, sir.
Yes, 4 PC, 2 PC for that side, for left, and 2 PC for right. You can take as much as you want, 4 PC, 5 PC for your networks, but I have taken 2. Now, cabling. Now you need to connect it. Can you tell me same device what cable should I use and different device what cable should I use?
Same cable. Same
Cross
device.
Same cable,
Cross straight.
same cable cross or straight. Same device.
Crossover sir. Same device.
देख के सभी पता सकते हैं.
वो आना है ना सर एक बार बोले तो.
That means same device means crossover. If it is different device, straight through. ये याद में रखना.
Repeat, sir.
If it is same device like router to router, switch to switch, PC to PC, hub to hub, another hub, those kind of thing, crossover cable. If it is different device, hub to PC, router to switch, router to PC, is a different device, right? Straight cable. I guess you know the difference of straight cable and crossover, that color codes. 256, 2568A and 2568B, universal codes. So now we will use that here. So before using your cables, you need to do one more thing. When we see our physical router, we have those ports, those modules are already attached. You don't have to go and manually attach those modules. Those Ethernet ports or console ports, those kind of thing. You don't have to attach it. It's by default, it will be there. But when it comes to the software, you need to attach manually there. So how you will do that? Just click on router. Just click on router. इधर नहीं. Wait. Coming soon. Game. So here you can see in physical, you can see there are modules, lot of modules are there, right?
Yes, sir.
It depends on what is your requirement. There are a lot of modules are there, like not so many are important or something like that you have to.
Right click on router, no?
No, just
Just
left click, that's it, not right click.
One click. No?
Just click it, you will get it. These modules is not necessary to buy hard. Like this module will work, that no need, because in physical you don't require to do this kind of thing. Just you need to remember one thing, WIC-2T. This one, this module, WIC-2T. WIC-2T module means you will get 2 serial interface and 2 fast Ethernet port. Fast Ethernet in the sense NIC card, what we have, this one, same thing. So we need to drag this module and place it over in this blank sections. 4 is there, no? Anywhere you have to attach it. So now if I directly drag from here, just click, drag, it will give an error. What is given?
cannot add manually.
Power is
Power is
on.
on.
Router is on, so I cannot add directly. So what we need to do?
Router should be on.
You can see this button green color, it's there, right?
It is on.
That means on. I need to click this. Now it's gone.
Yes, sir.
Now drag it.
It is not bad.
Placed.
Yes, sir.
Now turn it on. Same thing we need to do it for the next router. Turn off weak 2T, drag to that slot anywhere, whatever you want, then turn it on. This is the first thing you need to do when you create a design at first. Now you can attach the cables. So first of all, we will attach router to router. Now when it comes to router, you can use crossover cable, no problem. But when in real time you will configure, you have to use some special cable that is called serial cable, or you can say serial DCE cable. That cable you need to use it. So that one only we will use it here, not crossover. So how you will get that? Here you can see that thunder type icon. Click on that connection. Now here you can see this red clock symbol. And there in down in right side you can see serial DC, it's written.
Serial DC.
Serial DC. This is the initiator, connection initiator cable, from where your connection will start. DC cable means that, and DT means where it ends. Okay, so we need to click on this cable. Then see this wire type icon has came. So now we need to attach what? Router to router, right? So click on this router 0 first. It will ask you which one. So we need to use serial port. Serial 0/3/0 or 0/3/1. Anyone. You cannot use fast Ethernet. You have to go with the serial cable, serial port. So anyone you can take. It's your choice. Done. Now what we will see where I need to connect to the other router. So click on that other router. Anyone, if it is same serial also, then no problem. You can take same serial, different serial cable, whatever you want. So I will just keep it as it is. So it's connected. Now what we have to do, we need to connect router to switch, switch to end device. That means straight cable.
Yes, sir. Different.
Yes. So straight cable, this direct one line, no dotted. Click on that. Router. Now we need fast Ethernet. See how many ports are there. 24 ports. Out of which any one you want, whatever you want, you can take it. So I am taking serially, and better you make it serially. Don't make jumbled like /0/23 verse number 25. It will be very confusing. So better you make it precise. 0/0 0/1. You can remember. So again, switch to PCs. So same thing we will do for the other one also. So this is a small simple design. Simple design of a network. Done. So this is a small simple design. Simple network. 2 router, 2 switch, 4 end devices. Now here important thing comes, IP addressing. Now you need to implement here IP address. After that routing will come. First of all you need to know how to implement, right? Now my question is, now the biggest question thing will come. Here 3 IP address will be there. 3 IP address, how? Systems will get. Obviously system will get IP address, right? That means 2 IP address is there. One more IP address is where? Router. This is FA0/0 is there, no? Let's say interface. Interface in the sense this NIC card is denoted as the name of the NIC card. So in router, that port is FA0/0. So there you will have one IP. We need to go inside of, we need to configure that, we'll show you. But for now, there FA0/0 will contain one IP address. That means total how many? 3 IP address. So now tell me what will the CID here?
Outputs minus onwards minus outputs.
Total
You have client information.
total minus output.
Onward minus output.
So tell what is the CID here?
30.
30,
32 minus 3.
29.
29.
29.
If it is 16,
16. 22 minus 16.
if it is 16 client, then what is the CID here?
16 means 12.
28.
If 16 client is there, what will the CID here? 14/14. /14 only na?
14.
16 client/14. That is what I am asking. 14 or what?
14. Plus 14.
So that is what I am asking. It's totally wrong. It's not /14. You are directly subtracting. You are not supposed to do that. Like 3 client I have said, you have subtracted directly from 32 minus 3. No.
28.
No matter what, you will get a, it's correct, it's /29 only. It's by luck. But that is not a way to calculate. 3 clients, that means what? /29, how many number of IP we get? 8. Out of 8, 2 is reserved. This is the thing. Right. That means what? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 30 you have said. If I minus, I will get only 2, no? But we need a requirement of 3. So best possibility is where?
29.
That means if I reduce 8 minus 2, 6 will be there. Out of which 3 I can implement. 3 will be reserved. So this is how you need to convert. Now clear?
Sir, how you got 25, 26?
CIDR. Instant CIDR.
If I double 128, 256 is there, no?
Ah.
How many number of IP address we get in class C? Total number of IP address? Total number of IP address in class C.
24 to 36.
Hmm? Eh?
30.
Number of IP address in class C?
32.
32.
Start from 24. 24 to 37.
24 to 30.
24.
24 to 30.
Yes, sir. 24 to 30.
What? How many? 24 to 30.
Yes, sir.
वाह क्या बात. What was my question?
How many IP addresses will you get In class C.
How many IP address you will get in class C? I didn't ask like what is the CID range of class C. Close. In class A, how many number of IP you get? Tell. जोर से बोलो. Correct. जोर से बोलो.
नंबर नहीं बोलता था 1 crore opportunity.
No matter. 1 crore IP address you get in class A. In class B,
67.
65. 65,536. In class C, 256. याद है? नहीं याद है. You need to keep these values in your mind when you create a network. Otherwise, no matter what you know CIDR, but you will waste IPs.
We have to calculate for the time.
In class C, total number of IP you get is 256. That means if you take any range, if you take 192 to 223 is the range of your IP, right?
Yes,
From
sir.
class C.
Yes, sir.
If you take this range with subnet mask 255.255.255.0, this is a default. If you taken this, that means total you will get 256 IP, not more than that. That means what? 192.168.1.0 for example /24. 256 IP, not more than that. 192.168.2.0/24. 256 IP. It's like that. Similarly, for class C or class B, 65,536.
And for class A, sir?
1,67,77,216.
57
ये याद रखना है.
67 lakhs.
1,67,77,216. So just imagine, by mistake you have implemented class A. How many IPs will be wasted?
All of them will be used.
Everything. And do you know why you need CIDR in company? If IP get wasted also, we are not giving any money, no? Then why companies are so much concerned about the IPs? There is a reason. They has to pay for public IP for each private IP. That means if you have implemented by mistake class C you have taken and it's 65,536 has been implemented. Company has to pay 65,536 public IP. Company has to pay for that much amount of IPs. So that means what if from this you are just using 500. Company has to pay how much? For how many? For this much IP, company has to pay for public IP. So just imagine. So that's why company are very much concerned about the IP address. It should not get wasted. If it is 10, 20, it's okay. It's required, no problem. Obviously, it can be required. But not like 1,000, 2,000 IPs will be wasted. It is not considered. And why we need public IP, do you know? For example, in your mobile you have your IPs, right? We can see, if we go to settings, we can see our IPs. Or for example, our system only. Let's say here, I will show you here only. It's very interesting and very, very useful. What is my IP here? 1.25 192.168 1.25, right?
Yes, sir.
This is public or private?
Private.
Hmm?
Sure, sir.
This IP that I am getting here, this is public or private IP?
This one.
This system IP that I have
Private, sir.
is a
sir.
private IP, correct?
Yes, sir. Individual.
Now, if I go to Google and see my IP, let's see whether we get the same IP or not.
Last year, 1,67,77,216. 67 lakh, and that's 67,216. This IP V6 address, MAC address, sir.
What I'm getting?
171.5
What is written down?
Public IP.
Why it's happening? I should get private, no? But it's showing public IP. Now, how this public IP is implemented? Reason is from broadband, whatever we have taken, we used to give the bill, right? We are actually giving public IP's money. Half public IP money and half their rental. That is what our rent is whenever we use broadband. And this public IP is purchased by them. And we are using this IP, no? So we need to pay for this public IP. So we are paying it through the rental. So that is what. So companies used to buy public IP. From whom? From INA, IANA. From them, they used to buy it. And then they will implement. And what is the purpose of using? For security purpose. If I know your private IP, what can I do? I can access everything. I can get your whole biodata,
Yes, sir.
A to Z. If you know, if you don't know, that's different thing. But if you know to do, I can get everything. Even I can place it on a backdoor also. Whatever you save, it will by from through backdoor. I will get all the information. To secure that, now in company servers will be there, everything will be there. You cannot expose your private IP of server, correct? So for that purpose, this public IP is implemented there. If anyone want to do something also with the public IP, they will not get anything because with public IP, nothing attached. So that is the thing. Clear now? To implement network, you need to know these figures. 65,536, 1 crore 67 lakh, those things. क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ?
System high policy.
So this is what the concept. Clear now? So here what will the ID? Will be any ID, whatever you want. But CIDR will be what? /24. Wow. 3 IP address /24. अभी इतना महाभारत समझा के क्या हुआ? So let's take one ID 10.0.0.0/29. Now what do you think? What is the letter class of this?
Class A.
Class A? Class A?
C.
Class C?
C only, sir.
How?
CIDR is 29.
29 as the CID.
At forward, whatever it may be, class A, B, C, whatever network ID. Who will decide? CIDR. CIDR will decide which class it will be.
24 is
24 is class C. That means what? 8 to 15, class A. 16 to 23, class B. 24 to 30, class C. So here it is class C.
That's 31 and 32, B and E.
It's invalid. It's not count. Because if I reduce 2 here, 0. अब 1 को क्या ही बोलना, माइनस में जाएगा. Okay?
Repeat that, sir.
Which one?
CIDR.
That part. Why it's
A, B, and C for
A/8 to 15.
8 to 15.
It belongs to class A. (16 to 23) class B.
24 to 32.
24 to 30
30.
class C. All right. So now from these routers, this part is what? It's a internal network. This part is a internal network which have network ID 10.0.0.0/29. Router to router is always said as external IP network. External network. So it will have one more IP, not more network ID. So what I will do, I will give one more here. 20.0.0.0/ now what? Same CIDR.
Use 30, sir. You can use 30. Only 2, sir.
Only 2 IP address. How? Serial and that side serial. 2 serial interface is there. In those interfaces, IPs are assigned. That means 1 IP. Total 2 IPs. That means what is the CIDR?
30.
/30. So this is how you need to implement CIDRs. And for the third, same /29 only. 3 IPs.
So if you repeat for that above one, it's not coming from.
This is /30. Why? Because there are 2 IP address you need to assign, na?
30, how you took, sir?
Only 2 IPs, right?
4 minus 2.
For the PC, we will use 4 IPs, 1 for network and broadcasting, and
Hmm.
2 will be used. You can use.
Simple. 4 is there, right? This part you have got. So if 4 is the total number of IP, if I try to implement, it will come like this 0 to 3, right? If 0 is gone and 3 is gone, what left?
2, 1 and 2.
How many?
2.
2 IPs, na? That means what? 4 minus 2. So /30 contains how many?
2.
2 usable.
Simple. Simple calculation.
Hearing that only. Now again IP address, huh?
Full confused.
Again. Don't think I'm here only. I've given them work for this again IP address. Y2. Huh? Jota again you are Y2.
Now understood?
आप एजेंट ऑन करो.
I'm wishing 10 minutes for the lecture. Clear? Now, still you have doubt. Still I'm getting like, okay, 50%, okay, 50% no. These are the total number of hosts, total number of IP. Like 256, we get it as 0 to 255. Here also same. Total number of IP, no reduction. So when we reduce it, we need to make it -2 for network ID and broadcast ID. For that, we need to reduce 2. So when we reduce 2, then we get the final valid IP. 4 is there, -2, 2. 8 -2, 6. 16 -2, 14. This is how it will go. Now clear. So /30, we have 2 IP address. Why? Because we need to reduce 2. Now clear? All right. So this is the scenario of our network. आराम से. Okay. This is the network. Now we will come how to implement IP address. So today let's do one thing. Let's do till how to implement IP address. Tomorrow we will do the implementation of static routing. एक साथ सब कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा सब. So now how to implement IP address? Click on router. In router you will get these options, right? Configuration, CLI, attributes. Oh, wait. These 3 options are there: configuration, CLI, attributes.
Yes, sir.
You need to go to CLI, command line interface. Now the work of command will come. So before that, when you have all have installed packet tracer, Cisco packet tracer you have, right? Don't forget to turn on one option. You need to go to here, options, preferences. There one option is there. Always show port labels, that you need to tick. Just increase the font for now. Just very small.
Always show port labels.
So that you can see these ports. Otherwise, it will not show. All right. Now router has 3 modes. First mode is user mode. Second is privilege mode. And third is configuration mode. So whatever we are going to configure, we need to do it where? Configuration mode. If you want to see what are the things you have assigned, just to check, we can do it either in user or in privilege. But when in terms of configuring something, implementing something, you need to go where? Configure. So how to do that? First of all, here you will get yes or no. Always go with the no option. Then it will come, press return to get started. Enter. Can you see router?
Yes, sir.
This is user mode. Router, इसको क्या बोलते हैं symbol? Greater than. So router greater than symbol is there. This is what? User mode. Now we need to go to privilege mode. Now you can't jump from user to configuration. You have to go follow the steps. First user to privilege, privilege to config. You cannot go directly user to config. Okay. So to go one by one. So to go to privilege mode, you need to give one command, that is not that horror film. Enable. Enter. What you are getting? Router hash. This is privilege mode. To go to configuration mode, configure terminal. So write down the commands. It's recording, but note down the commands.
Press enter.
Hmm?
Press enter, sir.
Wait. Done. Now you can see router in bracket. It's coming config. Router config came. Now whatever you will be implementing, you have to implement here. So now what we need to do? We need to assign IP addresses, right? So first IP address I need to give where? In FA0/0. Now one thing is there. This FA0/0 is a default gateway. Now what is default gateway? Can you tell me?
Port.
Port only, but what is default gateway? I will give one small example. You will catch that. We have our home.
Wait.
Now, we have home.
Okay.
Just imagine there is no door. Can you go inside? How? Through window. There is no door. Nothing. Can you go inside?
No.
You can't go inside or you cannot come out. Correct. You need some pathway, right? Or you will go from the window. So default gateway is something like that in network. It's an entry and exit point of a network. Default gateway acts like that. If there is no default gateway, your data, packets, whatever is there, it will never go out or it never go in, never come in. So default gateway is very, very important in a network. This FA0/0 is a default gateway for your internal network. If any system sends any data to somewhere else, can you see the path? It will pass through where? When from PC0, if any data is transferred, it will go like this.
Yes, sir.
And it will go through here, no? It will, or it will from switch, it will just directly bounce. It will go to FA0/0. It will first hit there, no? That means what? That is the door to go out. That is a default gateway. In short, it's an entry and exit point of a network. Clear? So whenever we say router IP or router default IP, FA0/0 will be the router default IP or router default gateway. Also, it depends like internal or external. If I say external default gateway, this router's external default gateway, then it will come as serial. If I say internal, then FA0/0. So these are the terms, technical terms that you need to know. If someone asks like I need an external default gateway of this router, so you need to check that this router to router, which one is the serial interface which is connected. If I say like internal default gateway of the router, that means FA, which is connected. Clear? So now what we need to do, we need to give default gateway, that is FA0/0. So to implement IP address inside this interface, we need to first go inside the interface, right? In order to go inside the interface, there is a command interface space name of the interface. For in this term, what we have FA0/0. So type FA0/0. Interface is the command. In which interface you want to go inside, that name you have to give. Clear? Then enter. Now when you give enter, see what it came, configuration hyphen interface, config hyphen if. That means you are inside FA0/0. Now assign IP, normal IP address space, not serial. We first go to internal FA0/0. No. FA0/0 you have to type. If you will go inside that, then inside you have to assign IPs like this. I will just mention here IPs. Can you tell me the subnet mask of /29? Eh? 244? What is the IP? Subnet mask. इसका एक शॉर्टकट है, CIDR पता करने के लिए एक शॉर्टकट है. If you know that shortcut, no matter whatever CIDR anything you will get, in just the middle of second you can know that what is the CIDR subnet mask. Just remember this 8. क्या हुआ? खाना है कि बुलाया है कि क्या है?
ತರ್ಟಿ ಇಂತ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಎರಡೇ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತೇ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐಪಿಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಎರಡೇ ಐಪಿ ಸಾಕು. ಎರಡೇ ಐಪಿ ಸಾಕು. ಕಮ್ಮಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬೇಕು. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 30 CIDR ಗೆ 4 ಅಲ್ಲ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ చేసుకుంటారు. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐಪಿಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ పంపిస్తారు. ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ 32 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ 8.8.8.6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 30 ಇವಾಗ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ 255 248
షేర్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయాలి అది తీసుకున్నాను ఏంటిది సిస్కో ఐదు పునాది ఆదానికి వైరస్ ఉంటుంది మాత్రమే పనిచేస్తారు మొత్తానికి
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 ಪವರ್ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 2 4 minus 2 ಇದು ಯೂಸಬಲ್ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್
నేను ఆల్రెడీ చేస్తాను
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು ಇದನ್ನ 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8
ಅದು ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ 8.8
ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಬಟ್ 29 CIDR ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ 29 ಗೆ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 128 plus
64
32 plus
రివర్స్ కూడా డౌన్లోడ్ చేస్తుంది
yes 8 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ఇది
248 ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ఆయన ఇచ్చే డైరెక్ట్ ఐపి నేను డౌన్లోడ్
6 ಇದ್ರೆ 2
మాడ్యూల్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన అది ఇప్పుడే అప్డేట్ చేసిన మొత్తం అంతా అక్కడ అప్లోడ్ ఉంది ఇది స్విచ్ నుంచి ఒకరికి అయిందా సరే వీడియోని మొత్తం ఏం చేసిందంటే పాటలు సినిమాలు అన్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసినందుకే This laptop in my hostel was person is there. We have taken from there. Actually, he downloaded this online movies. That's why it is getting hacked. అన్ని డిలీట్ చేసుకోవాలి సెటప్ చేయాలి
But even for a fight, no, if you
fight.
not
even the fighter. I mean, give 1 minute, he will go fall there. It is not at working. He is not
He
using
has
this
given
laptop.
his laptop to you, should you keep it safely?
He is not using this laptop. Bro. What? Do you want to allow this app to make changes to device change చేయాలని changes అయితే కావాలా లేకపోతే నార్మల్ ఉండాలా ఈ యాప్ ఇస్తున్నావు దాని మీనింగ్ ఏం తెలుసా ఇది యాప్ ఇస్తున్నావు ఇంతకు ముందు ఆప్షన్స్ ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి చేంజ్ రావాలా సేమ్ ఉండాలా అనేది వాంట్ టు చేంజ్ ఆప్షన్ సేమ్ ఉండాలా నీ ఇష్టం నువ్వు యూజ్ చేసే పద్ధతిలో ఉంటుంది ఎస్ అయితే ఎస్ నో అయితే నో ఒక యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని సార్ దాని తర్వాత ఆప్షన్స్ చేంజ్ కావాలా నీకు లేకపోతే నార్మల్గా ఉండాలా సింపుల్ ఏం చేసిన పట్టుకోలు తెచ్చిన పోతున్నా ప్లేస్ నిండా తిన్నాడు పట్టుకోలు తెచ్చిన
No, yeah, I have given letter to police station.
Okay, you will give letters to police. You will let you will give me a record in that. What is wrong? Laptop.
क्या बोले थे
उसका लैपटॉप
क्या हुआ? लैपटॉप क्या हो गया?
सिस्को पैकेट ये ही नहीं हो रहा सर, इंस्टॉल नहीं हो रहा सर,
इंस्टॉल ही नहीं हो रहा है।
सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है सर।
अरे सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है मतलब आपका सिस्टम का आर्किटेक्चर क्या है, 32 है कि 64?
देखो सर,
मेरा सिस्टम नहीं सर, मैं उसका मेरे दोस्त का लेके आया, अभी पूरा चेक करेगा।
छत से बैठो, चेक करो, उसके बाद कितना दिक्कत है अपना लैपटॉप लेने से। 20 मिनट्स 20 minutes 20 minutes आएगा, जल्दी आएगा, 2-3 दिन मैक्स, उसके बाद मदरबोर्ड रिप्लेसमेंट टुमारो। हाँ वाह, हाँ होगा, चलेगा।
it will take 5 hours class.
So slow. See, you just remember this 8 thing: 128, 192, 224, 240, 248.
254,
If you remember this, again, congrats.
248, no, that is.
248. So when you calculate from /1 to /32, you will see these things are repeatedly coming in one block. How? For example, /1 has 128.0.0.0. So till /8, it will come this. Then when it comes to /9, again it will start from 128. And when it comes to /16, then again when you go for 17, it will again repeat from 128. So you just calculate like that. That's it. /20 to 40. Like that. If it is 22, 50 to 252. It will not come directly. You have to practice that. Then it will be very easy. If anyone asks like /20, /21 is there, I need a subnet mask. Immediately you can say. You don't have to calculate. So it will happen after practice. तो फटाफट करते हैं. All right. तो कहाँ गया? ताले में रुक गए. All right. So we have gone inside this interface FA0/0. Then we need to implement IP address, right?
Yes, sir.
So IP address 10.0.0.1 space followed by subnet mask 255.255.255.248. Then enter. Bus. IP address will be implemented. Now you can see this network is down, no? It's red. So we need to assign here one command to make it up. So what is the command? No shutdown, to make a network down, shutdown. Now when I enter, you will see here from red it has turned green. Now you can see here it's written interface fast Ethernet 0/0 change state to up. That means connection is up. Now exit, because my work is done. I have assigned IP address inside the interface. Next, where? Serial. So interface C/0. Enter. Now what will the IP? 20.0.0.1. Enter. Now here one more command will be added. When it comes on serial DCE port, you need to assign clock rate. Clock rate is nothing, it's a bits per second.
If it is
Speed.
straight through, it will be automatic.
If it is crossover, no need of add crossover, it will be not shown in real time also. You will never get crossover cable in router to router. Serial cable will be. Crossover when just to test. Just you don't have the access, you don't want to configure so much, just use crossover, test it, okay, it's working, remove it. But to come out to create a configuration, serial cable. So here, after giving IP address in serial DCE port, clock rate, there are a lot of clock rate are there, from 1200 to 4 lakh or 40 lakh. 110, 100, 1000, 40 lakh. So from here, standard is 64,000 or 72,000. Normally this two is used mostly. You can use anything, whatever you want, but mostly 64,000 and 70,000 is used. So we will take 64,000 for example. And this clock rate is only for DCE port, not for DTE port. DTE means other side. One side is DCE, that is the initiator, and one side is ending. Then next step, no shut. But you will notice one thing, when I give no shut here, this will not turn green. It will still in red only. Still it's saying change state to down. Why? If one side of the router serial DC is up, other side also should be up. Then only it will be green. Otherwise, it will be down only. From this router, my implementation is done. IP are already given to FA0/0 and also in serial interface. Next, whatever I have done here, same thing I need to do it for other router. So let's do it. First of all, enable configure terminal interface FA0/0 IP address 30.0.0.1. Then no shutdown. Done. Next, exit. Now I need to go inside serial DT interface SC0/3/0 IP address 20.0.0.2. Then no need of clock rate because it is a DTE port. So we will directly give. Now you will see just up serial interface, just check there. It is up, green.
Yes, sir.
So my IP addresses are implemented in my routers. Network is created. Now it will come routing protocol. After doing this, routing protocol will come. How you will communicate. So that one we will do tomorrow. Till here you practice. You do it on your way.
And assigning IPs to PC.
IP to PC obviously that you need to assign. In PCs, if there is no IP, it cannot be communicated, right? So in PCs, just go to here. This is a PC, right? Just click on this PC. It will come. Wait, Mari. Wait, Mari. It will come. Here आ गया. Here you have to go to desktop. IP configuration. यहाँ पे IP दे दो 10.0.0.2 248 and default gateway will be what? 10.0.0.1. Understood? So same thing we need to do it for the second PC. Here it will be 10.0.0.3. So same for here 30 you have to give. ठीक है? एक और चीज है. That is very very important. Now we can see this serial interfaces, right? We know which one is DC, DT. How? Because there is a clock symbol over there. Real time में क्या? Real time में कैसे पता चले? How you will get to know? Interface you can identify. Okay, that is some other thing is there. But how you will identify which one is DC port and which one is DT port? How you will identify if there is a whole bunch of network? Sometimes in serial you will see the tags. Tag will be there, DC tag, DT tag. What if it is not there? How you will identify? There is one command to get that. That command is, for example, I don't know this serial interface 0/3/0 is DT or DC. How I will identify? You have to enter one command. Do show controller the interface name SC 0/3/0. What it is coming?
DC.
Showing
Yes, sir.
which interface it is? DC serial interface. So this is how you find it out DC and DT port with this command do show controller. Clear? So you need to practice. Then only it will be in your hand. It's tough, I know. Practice. That's the thing. Only thing I can say. Create your own network. Create 3 routers, 4 routers, 5 routers. Assign IPs over there. Just do right this much. This is the basic thing that you need to do. पीछे और भी है. बाद में और है. बहुत सारा चीज है. This is just 0.1%. Basic. Basic का भी B नहीं है वो. Because when static routing वो सब आएगा, at that time it will be like, but no problem. practice, create your network, हो जाएगा. Main thing is command. You should know which command is used for what purpose. Interface command why we use, so that we can go inside interface. IP address command why we give, so that I can assign IP address inside that interface. Like that, if you do it, only 2 network if you do, you will understand. तो ऐसे सीखना होता है. Understand and do it. For what is the purpose of that network, but command, why we use that command, and what is the output of that command. ये 3 क्वेश्चन दिमाग में रखो. Only 2 network if you do 2 times, if you practice, you will memorize that command. We also learned like that only. We used to understand that command. Why we are giving that command? What is the purpose? And what will the output? Now, if we know these 3 things, if any troubleshooting comes, anything happens, I will know, na, this is the problem. That means I need to do that command. वो चीज वही है, करना पड़ेगा, बहुत है. You need to practice.
If you give wrong combinations, what will the response?
If it is wrong command, it will show invalid commands and all. That is the thing. If you forget any command, then just space question mark, you will get a suggestion.
Okay.
For example, you have forgot to what is the command of that. Like for example, interface you have given. After that you forgot that either I have to give some other command or I have to give the interface. Just space question mark, you will get a suggestion there.
You have to follow it.
Okay then, so try, practice. And online, whoever has joined, do practice. Already recorded session is there. So see, try and practice as much as you want. If you want to clear your doubts and commands, most important.
More doubts.
All right then, so bye. अभी बताओ.